I'm Jasmine with WTI. If you're planning a gender reveal for yourself or a friend and are trying to think of a cute theme, this one is adorable. It says, "Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how we wonder what you are." And this banner just is the perfect touch. Each of the lines of the sign is individually packaged, and my favorite thing about this banner is that it comes already on the ribbon, so you don't have to string everything yourself. The cardboard is very high quality material, very superior. It's super durable, and we just use a double-sided piece of tape on the end stars to put it up on our walls. And we actually put it up several days before the event, and it held up really well. And here it is with the rest of the decorations. You can see how cute it is for a gender reveal. So if you're in the market for a banner for your next gender reveal, definitely check this one out. Not only is it so adorable what it says and how it looks, but it's really great quality. It's gonna look great for your next gender reveal, and your guests will love it too. And that's my point of view.